Good morning everybody, bore da pawb. I'm Becky from Talk and Play, team Becky o Siarad a Chwarae. Today I'm going to be reading you a story called Little Monkey. Everybody ready? Monkey loved living in the jungle. There were so many things to do and so many things to see. But every now and then, things went a bit wrong. Oh dear. Monkey had a little problem, and the problem was being little. Some days everything was out of reach. Other days it was out of sight. Oh, there she is. Things were always too deep, too dangerous, and too difficult for someone so little. No, you can't climb up here. Poor Monkey. Monkey was fed up with always missing out. So one day she made a decision. A very brave and very big decision. I will climb to the top of the tallest tree. The jungle is not too big for me. You'll see. It wasn't an easy journey, not easy at all. The river was deep and dangerous. The path was often difficult, but Monkey would not give up, and step by step she found her way. Everywhere Monkey looked, she noticed little things, and the little things did amazing things. Now it's my turn, she said. So Monkey began to count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Who's too little now? Not me. There's Monkey swinging from the tree. Soon Monkey had reached the very bottom of the tallest tree of the jungle. This will be fun, she said, and she began to climb. Up she went, climbing higher and higher, right to the very top. The world below looked so little and so beautiful. Oh dear, who can you see? Finally, Monkey could see everything, including the rest of her troop. Oh dear, look. They look very excited to see me. Do they look excited? Or do they look shocked? Who's behind Monkey? Ready? It must be time to go, thought Monkey. And she swung down from the tallest tree. What's she using? The tiger's tail. Feeling very pleased and very proud. Monkey did love living in the jungle, now more than ever before. I may be small, but I'm very brave, she said. I'm very lucky, said the rest of the troop. Little Monkey knew they were right, because the smaller you are, the larger your adventures can be. But the best of all, the bigger the hugs feel. What a lovely story. And Monkey went on a big adventure. I hope you enjoyed, everybody. Have a good day. See you later. Bye bye.